We are at Solar Asia and Mr. Lin is with us. Thank you very much for giving us time. What is your company and what is your product?
Our company is Hanzhi Technical, and our product is how to clean the solar panel in Pakistan and Karachi. There's so many dust and birds on the sky, so we need to find a solution to clean the solar panel. Otherwise, after some months, the solar panel will be very dirty, right?
In houses, how it is human friendly and how can it is used?
Yeah, we have this robot, solar panel robot. We can use the remote to control it, clean, and we can use the water pipe and the brush. And this one is a manual one. It's very cheap, and we can use it manually. And there's motor, automatic rowing, so it will be working and very fast. We can cleaning the solar panel.
And how it use it? It takes electricity or what? It's
We have a battery and electricity. Yeah.
And women and children can also use this for the cleaning, or the trained person is required.
No need to treat. No, it's very easy to use. I will show you.
Please.
One hand.
Ah, good. Thank you very much.
Thank you.